Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the restaurant interior over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll be copying this frames over here. Let's just press shift and drag it, and let's copy this over here. Again, I'll just zoom it over here. We do have some space over here, so again I'll go over here, I'll go into this, I'll activate an auto grid. I'll just reduce the height segments, convert to poly, select the polygons, convert to poly. Again I'll go into this, I'll again take a swift loop over here. Let's select this, press R and slightly I'll scale this. Again I'll select this and let's give a bit of chamfer over here in this way. I'll take a sphere over here and let's take a sphere and I'll rotate it in 90 degree. So convert to poly, select the polygons and let's delete the half shape over here. Let's delete it. Select the border, I'll just cap it. I'll just slightly drag this out. Select the polygons. And now what I'll do over here is like, I'll slightly bevel it in this way. I'll again take a cylinder over here. I'll create a cylinder, drag it inside, select the polygons and let's give bevel over here. So I'll just shuffle it in this way. I'll slightly just resize it and again I'll slightly extrude it inside and again I'll go over here, I'll make a copy of it. Now what I can do over here is like, slightly I'll again shift this a bit out and I'll keep it in this way. Over here as well we do have some stand and the speakers over here. I'll select this. I'll make a copy of it. So I'll just shuffle this over here. Select this and I'll just push it at one side. Select this. Again I'll make a copy of it. Drag it up. Again I'll take a box over here. Now convert to poly. Select the edges. Let's give to connect over here. Again I'll select the polygons over here and extrude it a bit out. In this way. So select the vertices and slightly push it a bit inside. I'll again go over here. I'll take a cylinder over here. Again I'll activate an auto grid. Convert to poly. Select the polygons over here and slightly insert it and let's extrude it a bit out over here. So again I'll press shift and drag and I'll make a copy of it. Again I'll take a box over here for this is a kind of speakers or something. So I'll just drag this out. Convert to poly. Select the polygons. Slightly scale it. Select the polygons. And let's give bevel over here. Okay. So from top as well, if you want to give some shape or something that can be assigned as well if needed. So I'll just end isolate this. So I'll just resize it. If it looks much bigger, I can just resize it. I'll just shuffle this over here. I'll again take a line over here. I'll off this auto grid and I'll just go into rendering, enabling viewport. Alright, so we do have some for wires. Okay, I'll just shuffle this a bit inside. I'll push it a bit in this way. I'll just make sure I'll just push this up in this way. Again, we do have the same frames over here. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.